28. The first, okay, number 9, it says the figure shows a square inside of a rectangle. Which procedure should be used to find the area of the shaded region? So we're going to do the rectangle first and then subtract out this square part, and that gives us the distance around the outside. So we're not finding perimeter, find the area, and then add. We're not going to add, we're going to subtract. So that's going to be our answer choice. Number 10, one is the area of the figure below. Guys, this is a trapezoid. So if you didn't do a trapezoid, that's probably where you messed up on this. Okay, so area equals 1/2. Base 1 is 25, base 2 is 11, and then the height is 12. So 1/2 of 36 times 12, half of 36 is 18. 18 times 12 is 216. So you should have got 216 right there. Okay, number 11, the diagram shows the spot on the basketball called the key. We decided this wasn't the key, but we're going to work with it anyway, so we're going to say this is the key. Okay, and then we're going to say 19 times 12, base times height, because 19 times 12. Okay, and then we have 228 for this piece. Okay, and then we need a semicircle. The area is shown below. What is the area of the arrow? Okay, number 12. The arrow shown below is on a street sign. What is the area of the arrow? Okay, so we have this little rectangle right here, which is going to be 10 times 4. So 10 times 4 because it's base times height. So we have 40 there. And then we have the arrow, the end of the arrow here. And we know that since this whole thing is 16 and this part is 10, from here to here is going to be 6. And then we know that this 4 transfers here, so that's 4 and 1.5 and 1.5, which makes 7. So it's 7 times 6 divided by 2, which is base times height divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2, which is 21. So we add 40 and 21, and we get 61. Okay, number 13. What is the area of the shaded region of the figure below? We have two figures. We do area equals base times height, and then area equals base times height. Okay, so you have this, which is this times this, and you got that. And then you have this inside, so we're wanting the gray area, which is 5 times 3. So you do 40. And you get answer choice B. Okay, number 14. Miss Watson's students build their first letter of wood. Holly builds an H using rectangles with the dimensions shown below. How many square inches of wood does Holly use to create the letter H? Okay, this is, H is this, and this one is the same over here. So we have two rectangles that are this 12 times 3, which is 36. So, and then we've got two of them, which is 72. And then we have this piece here that we need to figure out. So I've got to know that this is 5 and this is 5. So the whole thing is 12. So that's got to be 2 right there. And then this is 10. We got 3 and 3. So that leaves it 4 right there. So 4 times 2 is 8. 72 plus 8 is 80. And then our last one, yes ma'am. The last one is she draws a pattern to help construct a bow for her sister. How many square feet for 3 bows? Okay, so we have a trapezoid. We're going to do this 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. Okay, so 1/2 base 1 is 10, base 2 is 6, and then the height is this right here, which is 5. 1/2 of 16 times 5, and then 8 times 5, and then it's 40. So this is 40, and this is 40. And then we have a rectangle in the middle, which is just base times height, which is 6 times 4, and we get 24 right there. So 40 plus 40 plus 24 is 104. And then we have 3 of them, so we're going to say 104 times 3. And we get 312. So that should finish chapter 7, unit 7 test corrections.